All right, what's up, everybody? This is Heston from Can You Barbecue. This one is already peeled. I was gonna show people how to trim up. I mean, I know they're baby backs. There's not much to trim off of these, but there's a little bit of fat. Usually the membrane is back here as well. This one's already gone. I got these from Costco. They're pretty great. So yeah, so let me see if I can get another one. So find out a few of the bones in the end. There's a little bit of meat right here. It's not much. So I can take it off because it's just gonna burn off anyways. And just square them off, get a good cut. Find where the bone is first. And follow it down. Boom, boom, boom. Take that off, throw it to the side. So yeah, all these slabs, membrane, which is on this side, has already been peeled off. Usually I'll just take a paper towel, dry paper towel, and just pinch it and rip it off. Like I said, lucky enough not to have to worry about it. But yeah, there's not much to trim on these. Just trying to squirt off as much as you can and cut off any weird pieces of bones you find on the side because you don't want to bite into it, or anybody else want to bite into it. So that's, I mean, there's not much to trimming baby backs. You can get a little fat off, but you don't want to go too much into the meat. So take off a little bit of fat here and there. And we will start getting the binder. So I always bind mustard, hit it up. Rub it down. So my smoker is already up to temp. I got a brisket on right now, so it's ready to go. But I usually throw my ribs on at about 250. Unless you want to go hot and fast, you know, it's up to you guys. You want a little more smoke?
Not a risk.
I'd slow it down. Hit both sides. Hit it up. So boom, 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 trimmed up, bind it up. Now rub. So I got a little mixture in here. What do I have? I got Casey Rib Rub by Saucy and I got a little bit of Barbecue Bros Kansas City style mixed in here a little bit. And then Hook's Smokin sweetness is really good too. So I'll throw a little mix in there. But yeah, just cover good, get a good mixture. Layer it up. Get both sides. Bind it up, bind it up, bind it up. Boom, boom, boom. Take a drink. Drink break. And then this has a little pepper in it. Just a little, some bigger chunks. And voila. Boom. Slap it. Throw in the smoker. Boom, 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 boom. Ready to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Later.